All right, I suggest we start now. So, good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you today. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Titan Rahma, and I'm from Mahasaraswati University, semester 1, majoring in English literature. And in this presentations, I would like to talk about the bioluminescence, and my presentations is relevant for those who are willing to know and curious about the light from the oceans. And in my presentations, it will be have three main point. First, I'm gonna talk about the what is bioluminescence. Secondly, I'm gonna talk about how does it glow, and last but not least, I'm gonna talk about the where is it found. And my presentations, it will take about 5 until 7 minutes. And if you have any question, it will be time for questions and answer sessions after my presentations. All right, so what is bioluminescence? So for those who never see bioluminescence before, you can see the picture that I put in the screen. So that is bioluminescence. The light of bioluminescence, it's usually blue, but it could change to be red or yellow or orange sometimes. So what is bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is phenomenon which is caused by chemical process with an organism body, such as plankton or jellyfish, that produce light energy. And how does it go? So, for erection to take place, plankton and the any other organism need three things or three elements to light up, such as they need oxygen, they need a compound called luciferin, they need enzyme called luciferase, and these three elements it make a chemical reactions that shown a visible light. The light sometimes it could be red or it could be blue or it could be orange. And then where is it found? So bioluminescence, uh, it's from organism, and this organism who uh, make who produce a light energy is usually grows near continent coastline and continental shelves in high latitude locations and along the equator in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. And then winds have an important role in this organism dispersions because they create waves that bring deep water, which is it's rich in nutrition to the surface. All right. I think that's all my presentation. So now I'm gonna open for the questions and answer sessions. For those who have questions, please raise your hand. Thank you, student A. Thank you, student B. Thank you, student C. And thank you, student D. All right, that's all about the questions and the answer sessions. I hope you all already understand about my presentations. And now I'm gonna, before I end up my presentations, let me give some conclusion about my presentation. So the conclusion is bioluminescence is a phenomenon caused by a chemical process with an organism body that make a visible light. Sometimes it will be blue, red, or green, or yellow, or orange. They need three elements to glow, to make them glow, and to produce energy, such as oxygen, a compound called luciferin, enzyme called lucifers. And this phenomenon usually found near coastline and continental shelf in high latitude and with the good winds locations and along the equator in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. All right, so that's all about my presentations. I hope my presentation is useful for us. And thank you so much for everyone who already come to my presentations. And have a nice day. Thank you so much for your attention and for your interest. Thank you.